Hello and welcome to this instalment of Talking Trim. I'm Jonathan Skinner and today we are looking at the Moquette pieces for the rear cabin area of the Jaguar XK120 open two-seater Roadster. So the reason for this video is just a very brief one to show you the kind of areas behind this front seats where the battery box shelf, the actual battery box itself, the side screen shelf and the Wheelarch covers, they were supplied in one of two materials originally from the factory, depending on your year and chassis number and what Jaguar felt like that day, potentially. For some of the cars, it was Moquette, as per this video. For other cars, it was vinyl or Leathercloth Vynide, whatever you want to refer to it as. So I just thought I'd do a quick video showing you these pieces in the Moquette version. Obviously, the shapes of them are exactly the same, regardless of the material, but the material did change depending on your chassis number, so just let us know which one you need for your car for originality's sake or prefer if you want to switch things up. Moquette is a wool-based material. It's effectively a short pile, non-backed wool carpetsy type material. Jaguar used it frequently during this era of production for areas like this, sort of wheel arches. The backs of the seats were commonly done in this material as well. Effectively, it's to give that kind of look of carpet, but because of the short pile and the non-backing element, it makes it very pliable to curved areas and things, and works very, very nicely on those elements of things. Just to show you in the book what we're talking about, the areas of the car. Referring to this book here. So this is the battery box. This is the battery box shelf and rear bulkhead. These are the wheel arches. And then the side screen shelf, you can't actually see it. It's kind of tucked underneath there. It's where you, literally it's in the name, it's where you put your side screens when you're not using them. Tucked in that tray area there. It's like a shelf. And as you can see, this kit here, this car here rather, has been done in sort of vinyl Leathercloth material, whereas this one here has been done in the Moquette material. So it shows you the two versions there. For the actual sort of rear bulkhead, battery box shelf area, it's a big rectangle, which obviously covers the kind of step element, so it bends in place in there. Then you have the actual battery box cover. We do guide slits on those ones to help you line up the corners correctly on them. Then you have the side screen shelf, which unfortunately you can't see in any of these pictures, but it effectively tucks up there. The side screen storage shelf is edged on that front edge. We used the Leathercloth as per original spec for edging of carpets and other materials. And then you have the wheel arches, which are obviously these pieces here underneath the B-post quarter panels, which you get a pair of there. Yeah, so like I say, wanted to do the video just to show you these pieces, but effectively either Moquette like this kit here or vinyl Leathercloth for certain other cars. Of course, we can upgrade these to leather if you'd like as well, but do talk to us about that before. Yeah, that's kind of it. Bear in mind, all of these parts are included as standard in our trim kit, but you can buy them individually, and individually we do them in car sets. So for example, that and that are singular items. They're sold as those singular parts, but the wheel arches are sold as a pair, i.e. enough to do one car set. So yeah, hope you found that useful. Be sure to check out the description below. I do these videos off the top of my head, and so I'm undoubtedly going to forget something. So I'll include any additional information in the text below. There'll also be some useful links to other videos for kits that you might want to consider for your XK120 Roadster restoration project. And of course, links to our website on how to best contact us and inquire about buying these parts. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. Please remember to like, subscribe and share with other classic car enthusiasts, and I'll see you next time.